finally the parcel arrived. You can see it's H4 mini optical lens. Packaging is good. I think they've done a good job on the packaging. So just lift this up, lid up, and you can see this is how it looks like. Very well packaged. It has, I just put it this way so that you have a clear look at it. I'll just go on through the ceremony of getting it out. It's solid from here, but the plastic, it's plastic. So have this fan at the back, feels solid. Have the tabs that I used to click it on, but they have screws, so I think you can tighten it a little bit for it to hold. It's slightly bit different from what we have currently in routine normal bulbs. The bulb is well protected. This plastic here, that's the lens that I think directs the light. The LEDs on the bottom is a bit small. The LEDs at the top are also a bit small. I wonder how they'll perform. So according to the instructions, the LED at the top directs light to the top of the bulb, just directly to the top, and then the reflector reflects the light to the lens. Well, the LED at the bottom directs to the front, to the bottom part of the motorcycle lens, and then straight ahead for the full beam. Interesting. I look forward to seeing how they perform. They feel quite solid. I'll be connecting it. Maybe I'll do a different video to just show how they look on the motorcycle. The reflector looks solid. It doesn't feel like it would come out. I had to try that. I think one day if the LEDs go off, looks like it's easy to just open these screws and take out the reflector. Possibly a DIY job for putting bigger LEDs. I don't know. It's a circuit board here for the LED. So that will be an interesting piece of work when that time comes. The drivers are here. Feel solid and well built. And it's an H4 as usual. So I'll be putting this on my motorcycle. And I'll be making that video for you. What's interesting about my motorcycle is that one headlight is the full beam and the other headlight is the low beam. So I'll have to think, first of all, put it as it is to see how it looks like, and later I can do a rewiring to ensure both of them light up the road. Thank you so much. And